What's going on, guys? Savage here today, bringing you another video. 1v1 on Black Ops 1 against my clanmate Finessed. Let's just hop right into it. I'm gonna try to use this pistol first. I don't know how good these pistols are because I only use the AK-47 Commando and stuff like that. I don't ever use pistols. I've never been a fan of this game, really. I know my trigger finger's crap, don't pick on it. I should have died right there. I just ate so many bullets. Oh, sit down. He must have ran up, thought he was about to knock me or something. I guess I'm just about to get a clean game. No, I just get a clean game out here. Yo. 10 more kills and I win. Peek out, boy. I thought we said no throwing that stuff. Oh, I'll let him do it. Yo, he's got smack. We're about to see what he says. Hey, how do you like that 10-0, Caleb? He said, how'd I go off with something like that? I hope you enjoyed the video. Like it if you did. If you really liked it, subscribe. And I'll see y'all guys next time.